Hello, my name is Philip Nuance. Welcome to my demonstrations. I want to demonstrate part of my ENEL 384 project. The main backgrounds, the theoretical background of this demonstration is the use of clock logic known as the synchronous logic, which is best used in the BADL design. That is the software design. A clock system is triggered simultaneously, and a clock signal effectively creates time step for the data flow. What I was trying to do is to create a BADL entities which will accept a clock input and provide one of a 16 active low outputs. Through this file, before I create it, I have to create at least two entities, that is 4 to 16 decoder, and then a 4-bit binary counters. So those two file I created, and then after I create those two file, I create another file where I use both, and then created the test bench for it. This is the file I create first. This is the file I create first, that is the 4 to 16 decoder. It is normally running on the Barbado. I've compiled it and it is not run normally. And then I also create another file. This is the code for the 4 binary counter. I also compile them here on the Barbado and they are running normal. Although I didn't make the test bench for them, but they are okay. Then I use these two files to create another file. This is the project part 3. So the code for this one is this one. I use actually the binary counter, Y input, clock, enable, and then the counter. So what I'm trying to do here is to make sure that the counter, I want to make sure that the time inputs have some effect to make the output. Whenever you put the times, you should have at least one or more active low outcomes. That is why I didn't write a lot of logic on that, but this is what I did here at the ends. And then on the test bench simulations, I have it here. I have 16 file, that is the input, the output. And then I also have the binary. You see the 4 binary here, output, and then the counts, time. You see the time here is going in nanoseconds, 10 nanoseconds, and continuing in nanoseconds. So I want to make sure that whenever the user input something, the output must have at least active low. And here it is 000 is actually active low. It should be 0102, 0101 or 011 or 100. It should be at least has a one active low in it, and that is what actually required by the project. So here I have the active low, and I thought it should be okay for that. Also, the time is increasing from 10 to 20 to 30 nanoseconds. So I think that is what I did on the test bench file, though the other one are just only the file, the code on them. You can still file them, but they can work normally on the Barbado, but they are not test bench. So I think that is actually the what I did for this project, and that is the end of it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to post this video and also put the link, and I'm going to upload all these files and then submit them. Thank you very much.